Hello guys, I'm on the train right now. We're on our way to go to Whitefish, Montana for skiing. Walang masyadong so a little snowy over here. Not like last March when we came here. There's a lot of snow. Pero ngayon konti lang. Pakita ko sa inyo sa labas here when we gotta go to we're on the last kunti lang ang snow pero ang lamig sa labas. Andito pala tayo sa sa North Dakota. Ito ang hallway. Here's our bonnet. Oh no, not this one. This one here.
Mom, whose glove is this?
That's mine.
Attention, please. Have your attention, please. Right, the cafe car. Cafe car is now back open for service. The cafe car is now back open for service. Those guys will have snacks, candy, chips, pizza, cheeseburger, hot dog. Please make your way to the cafe car at this time. Cafe car is now back open for service.
What does the word unabridged mean?
Shortened. Oh no, unabridged means not shortened, full length. The real deal. Abridged means it's condensed.
So unabridged means it's the full thing. Because on the book it said it was the original unabridged text or whatever.
We are in Montana now. I'm riding on the last car of the train. will be there in Whitefish, Montana tonight. So, getting closer there. Hello. There's a whole bit of snow. Come on, Kyle. We're going dinner. Yeah, that's a good massage. Okay.
It's a long ways, yeah.
Massage my back.
You didn't have to get down.
Here, let me open the door.
What?
Let me open the door so you don't have to.
Okay. Who's that, Mom?
And Robin. Are they behind us, guys?
Oh, it's okay.
I didn't think of doing it like that.
There's one down there too. I just did my lawn.
It's a long way to the dining car.
Well,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Here and here.
I don't know where we're going.
I don't know. You pick it out.
Want me to go here?
Whatever you want.
We're in the dining room.
hey, Dad. you do something and you have a 1 in 3 chance of messing up, are you guaranteed to mess up by the third time?